United States?
More than 10 years.
You have some of them that have been here for more than 10 years. You think they can't remember some Yoruba words, right? They will remember. Give me a name of your friend that you think if I give him any Yoruba word or ask him any question in Yoruba, he can tell me.
Pastor Tony Panimu.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Pastor Tony, please. Daddy, wave your hand so that I can see you. Where is he sitting? Pastor Biano, okay. Where is he at? Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Daddy, please. Daddy, there are some things that are going out of the way it used to be. Most people, when they get to the United States, they don't remember any word in Yoruba. I'm always advocating for people to teach their children Yoruba, especially if you are Igbo, teach them Igbo. If you are Yoruba, teach them Yoruba. But some of them, they don't even understand Yoruba again. How will they teach their children? Daddy, I have a question for you. Are you sure you can get this?
I'm listening.
Okay, Daddy. What is entrepreneur in Yoruba? What is entrepreneur in Yoruba?
Oníṣòwò.
Oníṣòwò. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Daddy. About it, Ìṣòwò is entrepreneur. Daddy, now nominate somebody else that you think he should still remember Yoruba or he has forgotten. Especially people that have forgotten. Give me one name. What's his name? Robert Sola Oguni. Let's put our hands together for Daddy, please. And your people are, well, we are getting there. Daddy, I have a question for you. You will get this one. Give me a picture in Yoruba. What is picture in Yoruba?
Easy. Àwòrán.
Àwòrán. Let's put our hands together for Daddy. That's why I say, who is taking? Let me go to another table. These are beautiful women. Can you nominate somebody on this table? Nominate somebody. I know it's a Yoruba dictionary. Tony. Somebody say, God bless Tony. God bless Tony. Hey, Tony.
Dr. Tony.
Hey, Mommy is a doctor of Yoruba. Mommy. No, she don't know.
She's a doctor. Truly.
I know, doctor. I'm testing at Yoruba. Kí ni fountain ní Yorùbá? Next time is that for fountain. Fountain means something sauce. Means something sauce. From the sauce. What is fountain? The people from Chicago, I want to get Yoruba. Those Chicago people, they can't remember anything because of the code. You can't be in the code and remember Yoruba. You doing in this table? Who are you nominating?
Over there.
What? They don't carry me to Chicago.
Over here.
We are safely landed in Chicago. Okay, let's do it this way. Agree. When I have the question, everybody on the table just agree. Agree to one answer. Okay. Yeah, let me make it difficult for you. Because you are doing it as a group. What is 90,000 in Yoruba? What is 90,000 in Yoruba? Yo. Yoruba of 20,000. She's asking me, is it in Naira or in USD? This woman like money. What is 20,000 in Yoruba? Ask Google. Who wants to help them? 90. Let's start with 90. What do you want? So 1,000 is Egberon. Only Egberon 90. What is that? I told you, Chicago people. Okay. 90,000. Oh my God. And what is that? So you people are agree when I ask you this question. What is deer in Yoruba? Ẹranko deer. Kí ni wọ́n pè ní Yoruba? Deer. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for Daddy. Daddy Exodus and let them know. Daddy here. This is your representative. Let me ask you this last one right now. Ladies and gentlemen,